children, I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today we will talk about useful and valuable things for a daily life. Now children, there are so many things around us. Do they look same? No. Do they feel same? No, because they all are different. But they all are beautiful, like the sun, the moon, the stars, flowers, plants, birds, because they all are different. But children, they are beautiful because they are created and made by a living God. So all things you see around us, they all are beautiful. Now take out your moral science book, page number 4, lesson 1, the gift. Take out moral science book, page number 4, lesson 1, the gift. I will tell you more about the gift. Now tell me, what do you mean by gift? A present or a thing given to someone. But in this lesson we will talk about God's gift. Life is the first gift given to us. Your life is very precious. So children, your body is also a gift given by God, like eyes, ears, nose, mouth, hands, legs. Okay? Now take out page 4, lesson 1, the gift. Page 4, lesson 1, the gift. Now can you see the picture? Girl is thinking about something and a small clock kept on the table. Maybe she is waiting for someone. We are not sure about it. So to get sure about that, let's go further into the story. Page 4, lesson 1, the gift. Now we will start reading. What happened to Papa getting late? Anu was anxious. Papa had promised to take me to the town for the flower show. Hi, here comes Papa. So children, Anu is talking about her father and waiting eagerly for her father to come, because her father promised her that he will take her to the flower show in the town. For example, we all wait for father to come home. Yes, maybe after from work we all are excited. So Anu is eagerly waiting for her father to come. After some time, her father enters the house. Anu ran and took his hand. Papa, don't we go for the flower show now? Sure, dear. Anu was in another world. On her way to the town, she was not bothered about the shops or decorations on the roadside. Anu ran and held father's hand and asked, Father, don't we go to the flower show? Anu is doubtful because her father is already late. Father said, sure dear, we are going to the flower show. Anu is not worried about shops and other decorations on the roadside. Only she wanted to go to the flower show. They reached the town where the flower show is going on. Wow, what a beauty, what a variety, what colors. So finally they reached the town where the flower show was going on. Same is happening with Anu. She is very happy because she wanted to go to the flower show. She reached there. She looked at the beauty and variety of flowers. She is very happy. Now children, take out page number 5. Take out page number 5. Papa, why don't we have these flowers in our garden? Each plant needs suitable climate and soil, like you, my dear. Like me, Anu was curious. So, see the reply. what her father is saying to Anu? We also need water, food, shelter, climate. In the same way, plants and flowers also need all these things to grow. Yes, long ago, God the Creator thought of you and prepared Papa and Mama earlier for you. After setting everything, God created you. Is it God who gave me life? That father replied, long ago, God created parents to take care and fulfill your needs. Now another question, is it God who gave me life? Anu asked. Sure, your life is the most wonderful gift of God. Think of those children who do not have a chance to lead a happy life like you. What father replied? We have everything around us. Just think about those who do not have these things and they are lack of these things. But we are so blessed. Now take out page number 6. God blessed me with body and mind, hands and legs, eyes and ears, nose and mouth, hair and head, and everything. I am God's special gift, isn't it, Papa? Anu said, very true, Papa. God has given me everything I am blessed with, like eyes to see beauty of nature, ears to hear good things, nose to smell, mouth to speak good words, hands to help others, legs to lead me to the right path. Now, next page, page number 7. Anu, you must make your life a blessing. Yes, Papa. I will thank God every day. I will do good to all. What father replied to Anu? God has given you everything and He has placed everything around you, in the right place. You must make your life a blessing. Children, we should not be a blessing for ourselves. We should be a blessing for everyone around us, because it is very important to be blessed for others. Anu said, yes, Papa, we should thank God for everything. We should help others. Okay, children, I hope you have learned something from this story of Anu, that you should always thankful to God for everything.